The department also sent a note verbal. Without going into the details, the essential points of all of these statements were the strong condemnation of the incident and the fact that yung Philippine Air Force jet plane posed no threat to the PLA Air Force.
Ilang araw matapos na gamitan ng Chinese Air Force ng flares ang ruta ng eroplano ng Philippine Air Force na nagpapatrolya sa Bajo de Masinloc, formal nang naghain ng reklamo ang Pilipinas laban sa China kaugnay nito. Kinumpirma ito ni Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Appropriations sa panukalang pondo ng DFA para sa 2025. Ayon sa kalihim, iginiit ng Pilipinas sa China sa pamamagitan ng note verbal ang karapatan nito sa airspace ng Philippine Maritime zones.
These were local flight operations, and they did not violate any sovereignty or jurisdiction. They're within our rights, and they entered over our airspace. So they were undertaken over our airspace, and those were the main points we stressed to China in these statements and also in our note verbal.
Muling natanong ang kalihim kung tanging diplomatic protest na lang ba ang magagawa ng Pilipinas laban sa agresyon ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Giit ni Secretary Manalo, nananatili pa ring bukas ang Pilipinas sa pakikipag-usap sa China.
So wala na ba tayong ibang maisip kundi diplomatic protest, at ano pa ba yung pwedeng nating magawa kaya, no? Kaugnay dito, Mr. Chair.
Tsaka ang policy naman natin here on the South China Sea has always been our willingness to settle any differences or disputes through peaceful means, and that means through negotiation or through diplomatic methods in accordance with international law. So, hindi lang limited ang ano namin dun sa note verbal. Of course, if China is willing to speak with us on this, we are open to talking with China.
Samantala, kaugnay naman ng provisional understanding sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China sa Ayungin Shoal, nais na idetalye ito ng DFA sa mga kongresista sa pamamagitan ng isang executive session. Tumutukoy ang usapin sa napagkasunduan ng Pilipinas at China kaugnay ng magiging arrangement sa rotation at resupply mission ng Pilipinas sa BRP Sierra Madre kung saan nakaestasyon ang ilang Pilipinong sundalo.
Now the main point here is there is already an agreement that our Chinese friends have agreed that there is a RORE. RORE meaning rotation and reprovisioning of essentials. The details of which of this meeting is, I would really request for an executive session kung mabarabatim ko ni ng chair because of the sensitivities of the arrangement.
Ikukonsulta muna sa chairperson at mga miyembro ng House Committee on Appropriations ang panukalang executive session kung kakayaning maisagawa bago ang plenary session para sa 2025 proposed budget. Samantala, iminungkahi rin ni Representative Castro sa pagdinig ang posibleng maging polisiya ng pamahalaan sa pagkakaroon ng provisional understanding sa buong West Philippine Sea. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.